Hi, I'm Trevor with Porch Windows Direct, and today we are on a new construction did by Ron Clark Construction, and we'll be installing our mullion windows into this space today, and then we will be doing or giving you a step-by-step instruction on the installation. So we have a numbering system with the windows, as you can see here, A, B, and C. And A is the first unit that goes in, so let's get to it. So first thing is having that bit of Lexel on the flanges, right around probably about a 1/4 inch from the edge. And then that's where the two seams meet together, so we have put in a bit of Lexel here too. So this is the number 1 unit. It's 1A, and then pop this in here, and then have 1 screw to the center. Okay. So the unit number 2. Then you have a bit of that silicone on the center of the flange, so that's sealed watertight. So if your porch is from the ground level, it's easier on the outside. You're coming from, like, can you see where I have it? You go up, brought it in, and then out, you're in. So, right is the next step is put a half clamps to pull the unit together. Make sure the joints are pull up these panels. Sometimes you have to give the bottom a little tap. Perfect. All right, so you go ahead and then you add the screws, the hex set screws, to the mullion. Keep the mullions together. All right, so this is unit C, which is the 3rd window. So third unit is almost simply the same as putting in the 2nd one. So, like, as you can see, goes up and then you're out there. So right now I'm going to go on the inside to make sure that our spacing from left to right, or if there are any gaps, but we are looking good there. So pull these clamps, do the same. So what we usually do is put in all the units before we start screwing them in place. Make sure left to right. So yep, we are looking good left to right, and then right now, I'm going to check on the tension of the windows. Okay, you could go ahead. So right now, we're in there. Push it in. Yeah, go ahead, screw it in. So yep, so I did just trim the bit with a little tension. Perfect. So okay. Yep, it's so right now everything is okay, so she could start screwing up. This is what the finished product of our mullion windows look like at the end of the install. And then if you follow everything correctly, it's an easy setup. So we hope that it's going to help, along with those who are going to be doing it themselves. So take it up from there.